Once we have added the two methods inside the shopping cart API to apply the coupon code inside our main project mango.web, let's open the cart controller. Here we can add two more endpoints to apply the coupon and remove the coupon. We will be adding that inside the cart index page, so let me go to the view here. And we need to add the logic. We already have an apply coupon button that we did not configure in the earlier videos. Here we want to make sure that if a coupon code is applied, then we want to display a button to remove the coupon code, and if it is not there, then we'll display the apply button. So this button that we have should be visible if the coupon code is empty. So we'll add the if condition and we'll say if string dot is null or empty. If model dot cart header dot coupon code is empty, in that case we will be displaying them to enter the coupon code. So we'll cut this and I'll paste it right here. In the else part, I will paste it one more time. This time we'll display a button to delete the coupon code. So with the input, we will have the tag helper, so ASP4. This will be for cart header dot coupon code. And if a coupon is applied, we will make sure that we disable this. The button that we will display is remove, and the class we will change from success to danger. Type submit looks good, but we need to create an action here. So for remove, let me call this remove coupon, and then I can just copy this, paste it here. We'll have to change a few things here, like change this to apply. Class will be success, and rather than remove coupon, we will call this apply coupon. With the input tag, we need the ASP4 tag helper. This will be for cart header dot coupon code. So perfect, this looks good. Now we need to add two actions, apply coupon and remove coupon. Let's do that in the cart controller in the next video.